Introducing the innovative ring joint assembly. This versatile component is designed to connect two elements that can rotate in any direction and lock them in one place using just two nuts and bolts. The ring joint assembly features a ring with two strategically placed slots. Attached to it are two nuts and bolts that allow for easy connection of links. A support plate on the larger slot ensures the ring remains intact and secure. This assembly offers a straightforward connection between two links. With only two nuts and bolts, you can lock the entire assembly. It enables rotation in 6 directions, 4 rotational motions and 2 translational motions. As you can see, the assembly is open from all sides, allowing for easy modifications and accommodation of additional parts. Each link can move in multiple directions, and by simply loosening or tightening the nuts, you can control the movement of the links. Let's compare the ring joint with pivot and ball joints. Unlike pivot joints, which have 3 separate joints moving in one direction each, the ring joint combines these connections into 2, simplifying movement. Each joint in the ring joint can move in multiple directions, unlike the single-direction movement in pivot joints. Pivot joints connect links in a zigzag pattern, while the ring joint offers a direct or straight connection. Creating multiple shapes with pivot joints is challenging, but with the ring joint, you can easily form any shape. The ring joint has fewer parts and is easier to assemble compared to pivot joint. Usually, ball joints have slower movement and are difficult to dismantle. In contrast, the ring joint's motion can be adjusted, and it is easy to dismantle. The ring joint assembly is incredibly versatile, with applications including creating various shapes, wire connections, robotics, pipe connections, measuring instruments, power generation from wave energy, and gear assemblies. The ring joint assembly is a game changer in mechanical design, offering flexibility, ease of use, and a wide range of applications. Discover how this innovative component can enhance your projects today. Please share your thoughts in the comments below.